Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching, please click the subscribe button. Today we'll be learning how to do our smoky eyeshadow tutorial. For this look, I'll be using the Eyeshadow palette. I love this palette because it has so many nudes and different colors. And I'll also be using the Juvia's Place palette, the Magic by Juvia. I'll be using the dark black eyeshadow. So the first thing I did is to make sure I set my eyelid with my light base concealer. So you want to use a concealer to set your eyelid, and this will help the eyeshadow colors to really pop out. So you want to make sure you do this first. I'll be taking this nude eyeshadow from the Eyeshadow palette. I'll start with that. You want to start with nude colors, and I'll apply that nude color all over my eyelid, the upper part of my eyelid. You want to do that like 2 to 3 times until that color actually pop out. Now I'll move to another shade that is a bit darker than the first one. You can see this is a bit darker than the nude. It's also in that family. I'll use that. I won't go as high as the first one. I'll come down a bit lower, and I'll apply this like 2 to 3 times. Now I'll go for brown. I'm going for a darker brown, and I'm applying that in the middle of my eyelid. You can see I'm taking my hand a bit lower, and I'll apply that like 4 or 5 times to ensure that it's really like visible for you to see. Now moving to the dark eyeshadow, I'm using this black eyeshadow from the Juvia palette. You can see that the brush I'm using is really flat. To be sure that the dark eyeshadow is visible on my eyelid, I'll look upwards, and when I look up, I'll try to see if the eyeshadow is still visible. If it's not, I'll raise my hand a bit higher and make sure the black eyeshadow goes a bit higher, so that when I look upward, I can still see the eyeshadow, if you get it. Now I'm taking a brown eyeshadow, and what we want to do now is to blend the dark eyeshadow with the brown eyeshadow, and that would not make the black eyeshadow, will not give you this really harsh line. It will look like it's evolving from nude to brown to dark. So the part that meets the brown and the dark, you want to apply the brown eyeshadow over again and again and again until that part looks well blended, like the black and the brown is well mixed. So it takes a while to actually achieve this. You want to be patient if you're a beginner and do this. Once I mix with the brown, I go back, I apply the black again. I'll do the same with the brown again until it looks really blended and it doesn't have really like just harsh black there at the starting of that black. Next, I'll clean up the fallout with face wipes. Time to apply my eyeliner. To give this smoky eye a cherry on top, I'll be using this gold eyeshadow, shiny eyeshadow under my eyebrow towards the end. I just apply this parallel on it. So I'm concluding this look with nude lipstick, and this is going to be the final look. And I'll just go ahead and add a little bit of dark blue under my eyes. This is the final look. It looks gorgeous. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.